Hello, good day, and welcome to our weather broadcast for today, Tuesday, September 2nd. I am your presenter, Carrette Joseph. Let's begin with the tropical weather outlook, and currently the National Hurricane Center is monitoring this tropical wave out in the eastern Atlantic. This wave currently has a high chance of development during the next 7 days. A tropical depression is likely to form into the weekend, and this wave is expected to track towards the west to west-northwest and move north of the Lesser Antilles sometime next week. Let's take a look at the satellite imagery associated with it, and currently you can see quite a bit of clouds, and this area is expected to become further enhanced into the weekend as it moves towards the region. Let's take a look closer home. This area of cloudiness associated with an upper to mid-level trough, and this clouds are expected to move towards mainly the southern portion of the Lesser Antilles into tonight. Today, across the Lesser Antilles, the Atlantic high pressure system is a dominant feature. We can see quite a bit of low-level clouds moving with the wind flow across the islands, maintaining some partly cloudy to cloudy skies. As we zoom in on Dominica, we can see those low-level clouds moving across the island for the morning, maintaining some cloudy skies, mainly across the southern, central, and eastern parts of the island, whereas the west and northwest parts of the island saw fewer clouds this morning. Radar imagery indicated scattered showers associated with these clouds moving over the island during the morning. Conditions for tonight: partly cloudy to cloudy skies with some scattered showers, especially during the earlier part of the evening. Temperatures to be down to about 24 degrees Celsius on the coast and about 22 in the interior. Winds generally out of the east, peaking to near 25 kilometers per hour. Tomorrow, partly cloudy skies mostly with a few showers. Temperatures to peak near 33 degrees Celsius along the western coast, about 31 on the east and 27 in the interior. Marine conditions: slight to moderate seas, wave peaking up to 3 feet on the west coast and up to about 5 feet on the east. Our high tides tomorrow will be at 12:18 a.m. and 2:30 p.m., while the low tides will be at 8:01 a.m. and 6:45 p.m. Let's take a look at conditions for the next 3 days. Again, tomorrow, Wednesday and Thursday, partly cloudy skies mostly with a few showers. As we move into Friday, we expect to see an increase in cloud cover with some showers and some possible isolated thunderstorms. Temperatures to be warm for the next 3 days, peaking to near 33 degrees Celsius, especially along the western coast. Remember to keep cool and hydrated. Nights to cool to about 24 degrees Celsius. Winds generally out of the east for the next 3 days, peaking to near 25 kilometers per hour. Marine conditions for the next 3 days, peaking to near 5 feet on the east and about 3 feet on the west. The sun will rise tomorrow at 5:53 a.m. and set at 6:16 p.m. For up-to-date information, you can scan this QR code and follow our WhatsApp channel, or you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Dominica Met, or our website at weather.gov.dm. Thank you for viewing, and join us tomorrow for your next weather broadcast. Good day.